Good morning and welcome to Project DYD. Right, here we go. Basically we've got the car on the spit. The rotisserie, a bit covered over because it's a bit exposed to the elements, but there you have it. That's our little rotisserie. Got the car on the side. That's helped us out a great deal. It saved about 15 weeks underneath the car trying to get all the underseal and the factory sealer off everything. So we cleaned it back best we can, sorted any little rust spots out, welding. Like to replace floor pans, but the floor pans are pretty good, all considered. A few little holes here and there, but all good. A few other little pieces, welding up. This is all tidy, that's all good. Previous job down there needs looking at, needs a bit of attention, but we'll get round to that. Got a bit of cure rust over it as well, so just to protect it a bit. So any old rust spots left in it, we've hopefully cured them anyway, but cure rust, hopefully. Cut the back valance off, because that was a bit crusty on the edges. Down there. Plan is to cut that one back in when I can get the car jacked up on the back end and horizontal and I can get to it. Cut the inner wheel arch out around there, as you can see, because that's a bit shit. Outer arch has got to come off. It's not been fitted the best, so that needs sorting out. So we need to do that. As for the rest of it, need to cut a piece in here, looking for a panel, just an offcut of an old tub to go in there. So that's another plan, is get that in, get this bit out, then that can all be welded back up tidy, as opposed to take the whole tub out, which is a bigger job, and it's a couple £100 for a new panel. So I think if we can get a salvage cut and put that in there, that'd be brilliant. Next little job today, obviously getting these rusts out, getting this down there, getting the rest of the underseal off down there, and then up in here get this shocker off and get the rest of that underseal out, and hopefully by the end of the day, possibly thinking of getting into 2K primer on the underside. So that's the plan, and after that it'll be a case of getting some what's that stuff, Gravitex over it. Get a few layers of Gravitex, another coat of primer over the top, just to take a top coat of diamond silver and lacquer, petrol resistant lacquer on the underside. New petrol pipes, new brake pipes, rear beam, which is over there, all tidied up and redone. Get that in there. Happy days. Get it back on the ground, or turn it over. Do that archway. So get that arch sorted. So that's the plan at the moment.